Good afternoon. The topic is gravitation. So everyone, we have to know the gravitational force because we are standing on the earth. It is due to the gravitational force. When we place it two bodies, then there are also a forces acting in between them. This is also gravitational force. So gravitational force is when two bodies there is a force of attraction is acting in between them. This force of attraction is known as a gravitational force. So gravitational force, the expression F is equal to G, capital G, this is a gravitational constant. Then M, mass of the first body, and a smaller mass of the second body, and divided by D square. D is the distance between these two bodies. So the gravitational force F is equal to G into M1, M2 divided by D square. So when the mass of the body increases, that is, mass of the body is directly proportional to the gravitational force. And when the mass of the body increases, gravitational force increases. That is, the mass of the body increases, the force in between them increases. And the distance between these two bodies is inversely proportional to the gravitational force. That is, the distance between these two bodies increases, gravitational force decreases. So, gravitational force is the a force acting between these two bodies. So, in every body, when we place two bodies, then there is a gravitational force. Our earth also put some force into our body. That's why we standing on the earth. Otherwise, we escape from this earth system. Any body, every body place stand on this earth. This is due to gravitational force. So the gravitational SI unit of the gravitational constant capital G. So the gravitational constant G is equal to from this expression F. This d square F into d square divided by m into m. F the unit of F is Newton. The d square is meter square. Then this kilogram raised to minus 2. So the SI unit of gravitational constant is Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. So the characteristics of gravitational force. So it is always attractive. So in a magnet, it may be repulsive force, but gravitational force is always attractive, and it is force at a distance. So when there is a distance, then there is also a force. That is, there is no need to contact between these two bodies. If the body is placed at a distance, then there also active force in between them, and it is equal and opposite. That is, when two bodies, then there is a gravitational force. This gravitational force acts from M2 to M1 and the M1 to M2. That these M2 to M1 and the M1 to M, that two forces are equal and it is in opposite in nature. So it is independent of intervening medium. That is means independent means if it is air or water, that is not dependent on that medium. The gravitational force independent of the intervening medium. So it is act along the line joining the two centers. It is act between two centers. That is the line joining centers between the two bodies. It is a long range force. That is every body. That is a planet is also acting a force on Earth or every body on the Earth. That is if it is any distance. If it is any distance, there is a small force acting on the body or acting between two bodies, and it is the weakest force in nature. That is, from this, a mass is on kilogram, m1 on kilogram, m2 on kilogram, and the distance between d is also on meter. Then the gravitational force is equal to capital G. The other values becomes 1. So gravitational force F is equal to G, and the value of G is 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11. 6.7 10 raised to minus 11. That is force is in the value of 10 raised to minus 11. That is very, very small value. That is why it's told this is the weakest force in nature. So simply mass of the earth 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Mass of the moon 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kilogram. And distance between the earth and moon is 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. So G is equal to 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meters per kilogram raised to minus 2. The force exerted by the earth from the G is equal to E into M1 M2 by R square, we get the value 2.0 into 10 raised to 20 Newton.